What is a social media calendar, and why is it important in developing and maintaining a successful and productive social media presence?
Coordinating your social content can be challenging. And so you want to have kind of a blended content strategy where some of it is mapped out over the course of, in some cases we're doing a week at a time. In some cases we'll do up to a month at a time. But if you're going that far out and you're saying, hey, look, I've got new products I want to promote. I've got some services I want to promote. Maybe I've got a build that I want to promote. And you're constantly documenting stages of that build. That kind of evergreen content is great to kind of spread out over the course of a couple of weeks or even a month. And it makes it a lot easier. So under the gun, trying to figure out what post you're going to get up that day. It also allows you to have the bandwidth to kind of take a step back and study the back end data and figure out, hey, turns out we get more interaction with this type of caption, this type of content, this type of timing when we put the post up. So the calendar function does allow you to take a little bit more time and be a little more thoughtful in not only what kind of content you're curating, but how you're posting it. As an example, coming out of the SEMA show and then the PRI show, we blocked out content going up to the show and we blocked out content coming out of the show. But on site at SEMA, for most of our clients, a lot of the stuff we were doing was happening on the fly in real time. And it's just because you don't really know what is going to really hit hard with people until you're there. So you really do want to take that kind of blended approach.